Hello guys, good afternoon. Today we will learn how to open WordPress dashboard of your website. So let's get started. To open dashboard of your WordPress website, you need to enter website like mine is dropshippingsuccess.com. Then I'll put forward slash and write WP hyphen ADMIN admin. Now click enter. So at first it will ask you for login password of the WordPress website. In my case I have already logged in, so it has been redirected me directly. So here you go to dashboard. So now you can go to edit pages, comments, or you can add payment gateways, WooCommerce products. So I am every day making new video of telling all the features. So let's get started and get connected by subscribing me. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day ahead.